Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and today I will be telling you 3 reasons why you should watch Golden Kamuy. And this is not the usual type of videos I do, but I'm trying something new, so if you end up enjoying it, then please leave a like and subscribe. So before I get into the reasons, let me tell you why I'm making this video. So Golden Kamuy, I watched it in 2020, previous year, and I really enjoyed it. From what I have seen, that the people who have watched Golden Kamuy, they really like it, and so do I. But there are a lot of people who haven't watched Golden Kamuy, and the thing is, people know, they've heard the name Golden Kamuy, but they just haven't watched it. So I just want to spread some love about Golden Kamuy and just make sure that more people can get into the series. So that's why I'm making this video. So let's just get into the 3 reasons why you should watch Golden Kamuy. Okay, so reason number 1, it is the vibe of the show. And let me tell you what I mean by that. So if you have watched Cowboy Bebop, and like it is an episodic kind of series, there's not like an there is an overarching story going on, but it is mostly still episodic. So the reason you still end up enjoying Cowboy Bebop is the setting of the show. It is in space, and it is just like space jets, like aircrafts, everything. It's kind of like that, and the whole like space vibe of the show is what makes Cowboy Bebop good. Even though I don't like Cowboy Bebop that much because of the episodic nature of it, but I've still enjoyed the vibe of the show, and it is same with this one. It is different from Cowboy Bebop. It is in a like mountain region. It is like snow everywhere, and if you see the characters, there will be multiple moments where they will just stop by while they're traveling. They'll just stop by and they'll just camp there and eat food, and like those will be some of the best like scenes in the story, like believe me or not, because when you're watching them, they're just eating food, and the food, even though what they eat isn't that appetizing, but like how it looks like really tasty and mouth-watering. And while you're watching it, it feels really cozy because the bonfire is going on, they are like camping, and it's the vibe of the show. I'm just telling you, trust me, it is really good. Like I'm telling you, you'll enjoy those moments so much. Like you're not gonna believe me, but when you're watching those moments, them just eating food, you're gonna enjoy it so much. Like that's what makes Golden Kamuy really good. That's like just one of the points. I will be telling you 2 more points later, but trust me, the vibe of the show is amazing. If you like the camping vibes and also like this like snowy region where you're just traveling somewhere, like trust me, you're gonna enjoy this one. Reason number 2, the comedy of this show. It is not as simple as like, okay, this show is funny, so you should watch it. It's not that. The comedy of the show is so different from what you would have seen till now. Like the comedy of Golden Kamuy can be only done in Golden Kamuy. It cannot be done in any other show, and I've honestly not seen this kind of comedy anywhere else. It's not like it is like way funnier than what other type of comedy is, but it is just so different and like weird and wacky that only Golden Kamuy can pull it off. And let me tell you some examples of the scenes. I will not be spoiling anything. I will be really vague with the scenes. So there was one scene when somebody's hand got stuck to some metal object because of the cold, and then the other person had to go and piss on his hands. It doesn't sound funny, but when you go and watch the scene, how the scene was executed, it is hilarious. And there was one more scene, and okay, this is the last. There were only 2 like pissing jokes in this whole series in 3 seasons, so I'm gonna only bring up those 2. And the second one is just, okay, one person's eyelid got stuck to other person's like button because of the cold, of course, and then they didn't have any warm water. They were in the middle of nowhere, so the third person had to pee on their face, like on the first person face, so that they can just get their eyelid off the button. And while like that person peed, it was just the faces they were making and the scenes, I cannot explain it to you. Like trust me, it is so weird and wacky. You're gonna enjoy it. Like of course, comedy is really subjective. Some people, like if like there are gonna be people that are gonna find something really funny, and some people are gonna be thinking that it's pretty lame and it's not funny at all. But trust me, Golden Kamuy's comedy is just wacky and it's one of a kind, so you're not gonna be disappointed. Point number 3, the premise and the cast of the show. So let me just explain you on that. So the premise is, it is literally a treasure hunt. So there is like somebody has hit the gold somewhere, a lot of gold, and our cast is just trying to find that gold. And the way to find the gold is that there were prisoners in a prison. They have escaped, and all of them have tattoos on their skin. And if you collect those like skins or make a copy of those skins and you like join all of them together. Once you get all the tattooed skins, you can just join all of them together. That will give you a map or the exact location of where the gold is, and that's how you're gonna find the gold. So their goal is to find the people who have tattoos on their skin, collect those, and then find the gold. And that is the premise. If that doesn't sound interesting to you, let me tell you about the cast. Maybe that will help you on it. But before I move on to that, if treasure hunting is your thing, if you are into it, you're definitely gonna enjoy this show because it is treasure hunting. So now let me just talk you about the cast. The cast is big. It is not like My Hero Academia level of big, like class 1A, class 1B. Like there's so many characters in My Hero Academia. It's not like that, but it's still a relatively bigger cast. So yeah, that's one thing. And if you like shows with that, you're gonna enjoy it. But the reason I'm bringing it up, that like it as a positive point, is because of the bigger cast, there are a lot of plot points happening simultaneously. So like one group would be doing something somewhere, the other group would be doing something somewhere else, and then the third group would be doing something completely different, and all of them is happening simultaneously at the same time. And it is not like the groups remain like stagnant. Like people interchange between the groups. So like if one group was there somewhere, like let's say three, like A, B, and C are in a group, and then 1, 2, 3 are in another group. So like somewhere down the story, A, 1, and 3 might be in a group, and then B, C, and 1. I don't know if I'm able to explain it or not, but they might be in a group and they are just going on their separate ways, but they are still collectively a bigger group. And also the backstories of the story, like of the characters, they are really interesting. Like once you see people's backstory, you're gonna be like, I was surprised for at least 1 or 2 of the backstories. I was like, okay, this is really interesting. I would have not expected this, but there are a lot of backstories that you're gonna end up enjoying. And yeah, that's it. That's all I have to say about Golden Kamuy. I think so these 3 reasons should be enough for you to go and watch it. Just give it a try. If you are not vibing with it, it's okay, but just give it a try, because I feel like this is a show it is not underappreciated, but not a lot of people have watched it. So I just wanted to spread some love about Golden Kamuy so that more people can watch it. And that's the reason, as I explained earlier, that is the reason I'm making this video. So if you ended up enjoying it and want to see more of these videos, then please leave a like and let me know in the comments, because this is the first time I'm making this kind of a video. I mostly cover like seasonal anime. So if you ended up enjoying it, let me know in the comments below. And till then, have a great time. I'll meet you in the next one.